Yeah, I just put the new motor in it. I mean, it feels stronger. Yeah, I got a battery and a motor for these. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tank be chopping. Y'all know what it is, man. This video we're actually gonna be installing the new TOMB45 motor and battery kit into my custom FX. So as you can see here, we're unscrewing the bottom screws. I'm just gonna walk y'all through basically what I did. Take out the next screw. And I'm not gonna lie, man, this motor and this battery, it makes this clipper a lot more powerful. But as you saw me do there, I just took off the bottom piece, then I'm gonna take off the handle or the grip, whatever you wanna call it. We're gonna have to remove these screws from the faceplate, well, underneath the faceplate. So as you can see, I'm unscrewing those. And some of these clips gonna be a little blurry and gonna be out of frame. I really wasn't paying attention to where I was positioned at when I was doing the video. But as y'all can see here, now you gotta take out these screws at the bottom of the clipper. And it's really easy to do, you know, I ain't gonna lie. I was like, man, I can't put a motor and a battery in my clipper. But once I unscrewed it, you know what I'm saying, I knew it was pretty self-explanatory. But here is the battery, and I should have put the motor in first, I'm not gonna lie, but I didn't know what order to do it in. But nonetheless, as y'all can see, I'm taking out the old battery, disconnecting those plugs. Comparing the two batteries and circuit boards. And now I'm just plugging in basically what was plugged into the other battery. I'm plugging those into the new battery, and you're gonna see me plugging this top piece, but I'm gonna unplug it here in a minute because I'm gonna need to install the new motor. Here is the Babyliss performance motor for the FX clippers. Shout out to my boy Dre from TOMB45, man. He gave me these at Texas Barber Expo, and I put them in like I think that week. But I didn't do the video because I wasn't sure if I could release it or not. But you know, I seen Basio released it, and I seen it's on their website, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this out for y'all. But as you can see, now I'm unscrewing the motor. There's 4 screws on the motor that you gotta unscrew also. So that's basically just what I'm doing here. And then they do give you extra screws with the motor in case you lose these. I ain't lose them, so I just put them to the side and I use the same screws. I didn't have to use the new screws. But now we're gonna pop that motor out. Put that to the side, grab the new motor. Put that in place of the old motor. And once again, guys, this motor, I don't know the exact specs on it. I know Basio did a video of what the RPMs are, but I don't know the exact numbers, you know what I'm saying? It does make it more powerful though, and you'll hear it once I'm done putting this back together. In the next clip, you'll see me turning it on and off for y'all, and y'all can actually hear it. It does get slightly louder, but still a good motor, you know what I'm saying? Still, it makes this clip a little better, you know what I'm saying? It is stronger, and then the thing with the battery is, I know a lot of people have had issues with the Babyliss batteries. So with this battery, it's gonna last longer, and you get to change the light of the LED color. I didn't change my light, I just left the way it came. I didn't want to mess with nothing. I just plugged it in like so, put it back in its position. But yeah, like I was saying, I didn't change my light on there. But you could change, you have the option of changing it from red, blue, or green. But as you can see here, I'm putting that face plate back on. Well, not the face plate, but the front of the clipper back together. We're gonna screw that thing back in. Hey, I do want to give a big shout out to everyone over there at TOMB45, man. They be showing your boy love. I do got a discount code with them, so if you want to order this battery and motor kit, you can use my discount code TANK on the official TOMB45 website. I'm not sure what the price is on this. I'll look it up in a minute and you'll see it towards the end of my video. But like I said, you can use my discount code TANK, save yourself 10%. But now all I'm doing is putting this clipper back together. Put that faceplate back on. Super easy, man, not hard at all. Yeah, I just put the new motor in it. I mean, it feels stronger. All right, check it out. So I just installed the new Babyliss battery upgrade. and the Babyliss performance motor from TOMB45 into my old custom FX. So the motor and the battery does make the clipper sound a little louder, but it ain't too much louder than the Gamma boosted, so they sound pretty similar. But once again, we're gonna check this thing out. It is louder than the Babyliss Boost FX. See, these are super quiet. And then these, a little loud. We're gonna put these things to use today. Yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, I'm putting that clipper to use that has the new TOMB45 battery and motor upgrade. Once again, that motor and battery does make the clipper slightly louder, but it's not a big deal, you know what I'm saying? It's not louder than the Stylecraft Rebel or the Gamma Boosted. So if you have one of those clippers, it's pretty much the same, you know, the same noise. It may be slightly louder or maybe slightly quieter. You know, obviously some of the you know, it may vary from clipper to clipper, but as you can see, I'm just using it to cut my man's hair right here, giving him a nice little taper. I had no issue with it, you know what I'm saying? Like, it works good. I know sometimes people, you wonder if it's gonna affect the blade because it's a stronger motor, if the blade's gonna get hot or not. And I hadn't had that issue, at least not while I was cutting. Maybe it's because I'm using, you know, the black graphite blade, fade blade from Babyliss, but I haven't had that issue. But nonetheless, guys, you know, this was me using that clipper. I got a couple more clips for y'all, so y'all just stay tuned and watch these clips. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these haircuts in the comment section. Alright guys, so y'all seen your boy debulk with this clipper, y'all seen me bought out with this clipper, y'all seen me fade with this clipper, taper with this clipper, all that good stuff. Once again, this does upgrade the clipper, especially if you have an older model of your Babyliss FX, like the Gold FX, Silver FX, Rose Gold FX, or the older model of a custom FX. This will make that clipper perform better. The battery life is supposed to give you more battery. Once again, I know some people have issues with their batteries from Babyliss, so it's pretty cool that TOMB45 is actually putting out this product. That way you can actually get longer battery life from the clipper. I don't know if it's stronger than the Boost FX or not. Like I said, I don't have the numbers on that. But once again, y'all can go check out Chris Basiel's video on this product, on the motor and the battery. He had all the specs and everything on this, so y'all can go check that out. I do believe that this kit is on sale at TOMB45.com for, I want to say, either $49.99 or $59.99, somewhere around there. I know originally they were going to sell it for $99.99, but they dropped down that price. And then check it out, if you use my discount code TANK, you save yourself 10 more %. So go ahead and cop that. And well, if you need it, go ahead and cop that. And also, if you need anything else from the website, power clips, the Beam Team XL, the new charging mats, you know what I'm saying, use my discount code TANK10, save yourself some money. But like I was saying, man, I think this was a pretty dope a pretty dope invention that they made. I don't know if it's an invention, but you know what I'm saying. A new innovation, a good innovation that they made for that clipper. Once again, use my discount code Tank10, man. And yeah, man, make sure you go give them a follow on Instagram. Go subscribe to Chris Bassio's channel. And that's basically it for this video, guys. I appreciate y'all for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure to leave them down in the comment section. And yeah, man, that's all I gotta say about this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go. You.